The Crafty Butcher. Draw 2 cards from opponent's faction deck and play one instantly. Place remaining card into the discard pile. So, I'll play the Crafty Butcher and that'll enable me to take 2 cards from his deck. I got Power Strike, which could kill a blue and a gray, which isn't bad. I could kill 20 points. However, I got a legendary and it's Quattro. So I'm going to go ahead and play that. This would go into the discard pile. So now I can move 4 cards, +1, -1 anywhere. So I'm going to go ahead and take this 14 and this 12, adding a couple draw cards to the draw icons. I'm going to move out his 13, and just for safekeeping, I'm going to go ahead and bank my own 13. And so I was able to basically move a couple cards out, or a card out, a couple in, and get one protected. So the Crafty Butcher became a legendary card with that draw. Thanks for watching the video. For more news and updates from the Master of Wills team, just subscribe to us below.